The demos today were around model-driven apps, which, I'll be honest with you, I'm so surprised on how good they look now. You know, when I was doing training before, I always used to say that if you want a pretty app, go Canvas. But if you want something that's a bit boring but gets the job done with data, you go model-driven. But I can't say that anymore because Microsoft is now showcasing some really good-looking model-driven apps in there. And one of the first things we saw was the data entry agent. Let's be honest with ourselves here. Filling forms is never fun, especially when you already have that data in a PDF or in an email somewhere. But now with a data entry agent, if you have a form, you can simply drag and drop your email, your document. It will extract the information and fill that form. That for me is where AI value comes in. We also saw how the data exploration agent can allow you, just using natural language, ask it in plain text, what do you want to see? And it will filter the data for you. It will create charts and all of that. So it's really, really awesome. We then saw how you can use Generative Pages to build the app that Microsoft showed a few years ago that took a lot of manual love and labor. But now we're able to build a full thing in just a few minutes using Generative Pages. So Generative Pages allow you to create full solutions. You just give it your Dataverse tables with your data, you give it the knowledge of what the application should be, and it will create it for you. In the backend, it uses React code, so it's all code. And since you have access to that code, if there's any small adjustments that you want that Copilot doesn't quite get right, you can simply go in the code and change it. So it's really beautiful between app makers and dev, how you can collaborate. And it's also solution aware. So all of you IT admins and enterprise admins will be happy. Now, you see, with Power Apps, we don't just have AI on the side panel anymore with the Copilot panel where we ask it stuff. We truly have AI infused in our app, whether it's creating it, filling forms, changing code. It's quite awesome.